that's weak and I'm back left strong. 16 tons, what do you get? Another day older, deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call? I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. I picked up my shovel and I walked to the mine. I loaded 16 tons, another 9 gold. This dumb boss said, well, bless my soul, you know, 16 tons, son, but what did you get? Another day older, deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me? I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. Guitar. Soul to the company store.